Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel with Stamate Interior Design Solutions. I'm your host Lulu and I'm thrilled to bring you the 14th installment of our much loved video series Best Small Living Room Design Ideas, Trends and Inspiration. In this episode, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of small, modern, contemporary living rooms. We've curated a collection of over 35 design ideas that are not only stylish and up-to-date, but also practical and space efficient. From minimalist aesthetics to bold color palette, from clever storage solutions to innovative furniture arrangement, we've got it all covered. Each design idea is unique and we are confident that you'll find inspiration for your own living space. So whether you are looking to revamp your current living room or you are starting from scratch, stay tuned. We are here to guide you through the process, offering tips, tricks, and whole lot of inspiration along the way. Remember, a small living room doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. With the right design ideas, you can create a space that's both functional and fabulous. So let's get started and explore these amazing design ideas together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find our content helpful. Your support means the world to us. Enjoy the video. Let's start with this idea. The image depicts a small modern living room with a contemporary design. A large gray sofa is the centerpiece of the room, adorned with blue and orange throw pillows. In front of the sofa, there are two coffee tables made from metal. An eye-catching yellow accent chair with textured upholstery is situated to the left. The room features a light wooden floor partially covered by a gray area rug. The walls are painted blue and three abstract artworks hang over the sofa. Overall, the room has a cozy yet vibrant ambience enhanced by the natural light and the modern decor. This small living room from the image has a modern aesthetic. Overall, the room exudes a cozy and welcoming atmosphere with its modern furniture and decor. The use of color, particularly the pop of yellow, adds a lovely touch to the space. The green plants contribute to a sense of calm and freshness. The room is well organized, making the most of the available space. It's a perfect example of a small yet stylish and functional living room. The image showcases a cozy, well-lit corner small living room with modern, contemporary, and stylish decor. The room is furnished with a dark blue plush sofa and a matching ottoman. A yellow beige rug underlays the sofa and ottoman, providing a contrast to the dark tones of the furniture. The room is well lit with natural light coming in through the large floor-to-ceiling windows, which offer a view of the greenery outside. The view of the outdoors adds a serene and calming effect to the room. Overall, the room is a perfect blend of comfort and style. Another cozy, well-lit, small living room with modern and stylish decor. Overall, the room has a contemporary design with a warm and inviting atmosphere. The room is furnished with a large, comfortable-looking maroon sofa adorned with several soft brown cushions. A round light gray rug is placed in front of the sofa, hosting a circular wooden coffee table. To the left of the sofa is a stylish chair with an intricate design and a plant beside it, adding a touch of greenery to the room. Laminate flooring throughout the space, wall-mounted round mirror and artwork add aesthetic appeal to the space. The living room from the image, with its contemporary furniture and decor, through the sense of comfort and tranquility. The presence of greenery and the abundance of natural light further enhance its appeal. It's a perfect example of a small yet stylish and functional living space. And that brings us to the end of the part 14 of our series by Small Living Room Design Ideas, Trend and Inspiration. We've journeyed through more than 35 design ideas for small, modern, contemporary living rooms, each one unique and full of potential. From minimalist design to vibrant color palette, we hope these ideas have sparked your imagination and give you a fresh perspective on how to make the most of your small living space. Remember, it's not about the size of the room, but the life you bring into it. We are so grateful to have you with us on this design journey. Your support means the world to us here at Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be looking for some design inspiration. stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll continue to explore more innovative and stylish design ideas. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. This is Lulu signing off for now. Remember, every room in your home is a canvas, and you are the artist. Keep designing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep loving your home. Until next time, take care and happy designing.